What is electricity? Electricity is all around us. We use it to charge our devices, make light bulbs work, turn on our heaters, and so many other things we do every day use electricity. Everything in the universe is made of tiny objects called atoms. Each atom has even tinier particles called protons and electrons. And electricity is the movement of these tiny particles. An electron has a negative charge, and a proton has a positive charge. If you have one positive and one negative charge, they attract, meaning they pull each other together. However, two positive charges alone together, or two negative charges alone together, will repulse each other, meaning they push away from each other. Electricity results when electrons are pushed and pulled from atom to atom. Electricity can also be seen in nature as a bolt of lightning. Lightning is a large number of electrons flowing through the air all at once. This releases a huge amount of energy. How is electricity made? Scientists have discovered several ways to harness energy that can be used to power the world around us. When there are many moving electrons, an electric current is created. Places like a city's power plant produce powerful electric currents and sends it to us through wires. The electricity we use is made by machines called generators. Generators move a magnet past a coil of wires, which pushes electrons and causes an electric current to flow. There are two types of energy sources: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy is a resource that cannot be replaced after it is used. A good example of a non-renewable energy source is coal. We take coal from the earth and burn it. Renewable energy, on the other hand, is a resource that cannot be used up within a human's lifespan. Some examples of renewable energies are air, water, sunlight. Electricity clearly is a necessary part of the modern world, and therefore scientists need to understand electricity and find new ways to generate it. Scientists also want to find ways to protect the resources needed to make electricity.